you get the chips and crackers. Okay. Thank you. What do you got there? Oh, wow. Look at all that. Okay. Well, I'll take some of these. And I'd like a drink, please, little girl.
You already have one.
Wow. Look at that.
It costs a house or a car for one.
I got to pay you my house or my car for this drink?
Yeah.
Forget it, lady. Bye. Are we having a baseball game here today, kids?
Yes, we are.
And what is this to celebrate?
Birthday.
Whose birthdays?
Whose birthdays?
Yeah.
Birthdays? There's only one.
Who?
That's both.
Who is that?
No,
Birthday?
there's two birthdays.
Who?
Phil and mine.
Phil and yours. Who are you?
Mine.
Are you David?
I guess.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
This is my little sister. I got Indy eyes on it.
But he eats his eyes.
Okay, let's see. I'll
Wanna
have
look
to
up my
get
nose?
another piece of ribbon now.
Okay.
It's not
Don't
even...
start it. It's hard.
I got it started with
No,
it.
you can't go. You
No,
can't go
somebody
with
else
that hand.
already had it started for us, didn't they?
I don't think so.
Oh,
I
you
just
gotta give it
grabbed
to
it with
Grandma.
my fingernails.
No, I
She's
can't
got
go.
long fingernails. Maybe she
I
can
just
remember
started
me.
ripping it apart.
Okay, honey,
Yeah,
let's
but you
go.
can't use
Go.
that hand.
Cameras are
Mom has
rolling.
to hold it. You
Cameras
have
are
to
rolling.
use that
Okay.
hand, Amber.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
You have to-
Ow!
Gross, huh?
What did you do?
Pressing it. It's squirting my eye, Mom.
I know it did.
Grandma, you do
Oh,
it.
I'm
I'll
not
hold it. It squirts in your eyes.
What are you doing?
Oh, hold the orange up. Here.
Woo!
Oh, okay. Here we go, Amber.
Amber.
Oh, that's terrible hard.
Here.
Okay,
You
now
hold
I'll hold it. You do it.
Now you
I
appreciate
got it
what we
started
went
now.
through.
Now you can really go.
Maybe I'm not use these hands.
Put our arms around each other so we won't use those hands.
I know.
Oh, it doesn't take my... Oh, what?
Good deal, Ollie. Sit on my lap.
How did you guys ever do this?
It wasn't easy.
It wasn't easy.
Oh, no, it sure isn't. Did you have fun while you were doing it?
Oh, yes. We had a wonderful time, didn't we, Phil?
Great time.
Yeah, we won them.
Here, Grandma, you hold it.
But I kept worrying I was squirting orange juice all over your rug.
And I'll pull.
I know.
She's not even worried about it. You notice that?
Oh, that.
Look at the leg work
It's
on
ready to be
Amber as
pulled.
she's trying to do this.
Oh, gee.
On her arms.
Oh, it's so slippery, too.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Lynette almost dropped it.
Oh, I don't know. I think we better call it quits.
No, keep it.
No, come on now.
You guys really finished it?
Yes.
Yeah, then he went right to the other game. I was tired after that orange.
Oh, yeah. Gee.
And then you,
I need
then you
to
have
form one of
to, you have to wrap the present with your hands being all sticky.
Oh, gee, I got orange all over me.
What is she doing to her poor grandma?
I don't know. What do you want me to do?
Why are you rolling it up so high? How come you got it up to your neck? Oh.
Okay, go on. Go do it.
Oh.
Here's a break, girl.
Use your middle hand.
Well, this is awful.
Go ahead and try to use your middle hand. Same way, but... Ew.
Well, there's nothing here but a piece of, a little juice.
What are you doing to Grandma?
Grandma's trying to hold it with her chin.
Okay, go on.
Hold it tight where she can just go.
It's all over grandma. It's all
That
over
would hurt,
grandma.
too, the way
Look at
she
grandma's
grabbed
sweater.
it.
Look at grandma's sweater. It's
Wait,
got
the
orange
way
juice
she
all over
grabbed
it.
at that orange, too, that would have been...
All right, now you hold it. You hold it. And here I go.
Look at her mouth.
Look at that.
Look
All
at her
right.
mouth.
That look of determination.
You have a rash all over your face from the orange.
I know. I'm holding it, Grandma. Be all sticky, too.
She said she's going to buy into the trick.
Here, Grandma, take
What is it, going up your nose?
Grandma, oh, my God, came undone. My butt came up.
Just don't use it.
Here, Grandma, I have... What do you want me to do? Hold it.
You look like a shot put person now.
Yeah.
You got to throw that thing up in the air.
You got want to keep it to
All of
your
a sudden
face.
it's going to end up in Lynette's face here. You got
I
careful.
think we've got to quit.
No.
Wow.
Hold right there.
Well, we're getting tired.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're getting it off. They're getting
Whoa,
it off.
all right,
Whoa.
Amber.
Hey,
she's
Grandma.
deserving.
My thumb came in.
Grandma.
Just hold it and Amber will...
Well, if your thumb came in,
Oh, I hope she doesn't claw me.
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh, I think we got it.
Then you got to put it in the box and wrap up that box and put the ribbon on it.
That's Amber. Keep your hands.
You thought this
Hey, that's
was
good
hard.
enough. Boy, that's good.
Okay, then wrap the present.
Oh.
No.
She's thirsty.
Amber.
She's thirsty after. Oh,
Sorry. Come on. Here.
What are we doing?
Oh, you got
You gotta wrap the present.
Arms connected.
Oh, okay.
Remember, you
My
need
thumb
this
is
one up.
coming down.
your thumb is coming undone.
Okay,
He has a headache.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can't use that head. Okay. You guys
Okay.
did good.
Now the paper's hard to get
Oh
on.
boy. It's only been an
Oh,
hour.
my thumb. Oh, my thumb, my thumb.
Okay, never mind.
Oh. Their horns fell out. Their horns fell out.
Oh, this is terrible.
Look at the box.
I'll never play this game.
It's great to watch, but not much fun to do, huh, Mom?
Oh, dear.
My thumb, my thumb.
It won't stay on anymore. We got to quit. She's wasting all her film on it.
Oh, you.
Okay, the rest of the do is wrap it up. Damn it,
Okay,
damn
just
it.
wrap it.
It's all,
Oh, you got a paper cut.
no, I got cut things in the lunch.
The orange was tickling it.
Now
Oh,
the game's over.
you had a cut and the orange juice got in it?
It's over.
I think that,
All right.
I think Amber's the winner here.
Let's
I
give a
didn't do
hip
any
hip
work.
hooray! Hip hip
Good for